And we also know the relationship between the beta and the beta prime. So you use the beta plus the beta prime equal to 180 degrees. You find the beta prime. Okay. So now you get the beta prime. Then correspondingly, you can find the gamma and the gamma prime. And then use the law of sines to find the corresponding C and C prime. Now, let's see how we use the law of sines to find the area of a triangle. So suppose we have such a triangle A, B, and C. Okay, and this is the point D. So now, suppose the length of this attitude is h, and we know the angle alpha, and this is the length of this bottom side B. So the area A should be equal to half times this bottom side and times the length of this attitude, right? So now, in the triangle ABD, this right triangle ABD, we have the H equal to this C times the sine alpha, right? So you have the C times sine alpha. Then plugging this H into this expression for the area, you have the area equal to 1/2 times B, and then times the C times sine alpha. And you arrange this, you have the 1/2 BC sine alpha. And similarly, you can find the other forms for this area formula. If you know the angle beta and the AC, if you know the angle gamma and the AB, then you have the 1/2 AC times sine beta, or the 1/2 AB times sine gamma. And you look at this formula, you see if you have the side B and C, and you miss the side A, then you use the angle opposite the side A. Okay, the angle opposite the missing side. If you have the AC, then the missing side is B, then you use the angle beta. If you have the side AB, then the missing side is the C, then you have the angle gamma. So this is the area formula for triangle. Okay. Now let's look at the problem 22 on the page 586. We know the beta is equal to 74.2 degrees. C is equal to 19.7, and B is equal to 23.5. We need to find the area of this triangle. So in the area formula, A equal to 1/2 times B times C, and then times sine alpha, we need to find the alpha. So if you want to use the law of sines to find the alpha, you need the A. But here we don't have A. So we have B, we have C, we have beta. We can first find the gamma, and then we can use the beta and the gamma to find the alpha. So let's first find the gamma. Sine gamma is equal to C times sine beta over B. And C is equal to 19.7. Beta is equal to 74.2 degrees. And divided by B, 23.5. Then you find the sine gamma, which is equal to approximately equal to 0.81. Then gamma is equal to arc sine 0.81. And we can draw the sketch of this triangle. So this is beta, and this point B, and this is gamma, this point C, and this is the point A, and C here, and B here. And we know B is greater than C, so the angle beta must be greater than angle gamma. And since the beta is 74.2 degrees, so this just implies gamma must be less than the 74.2 degrees. So that means gamma is an acute angle. Okay, so here you just need to use the arc sine to find this acute angle, which is approximately equal to 54.1 degrees. And then now we can find the alpha, which is equal to 180 degrees minus the sum of beta plus gamma, and this is equal to 180 degrees minus 74.2 degrees and plus 54.1 degrees. And then you get approximately 51.7 degrees. So now we can use this formula to find the area of this triangle. A is equal to 1/2 times B times C times sine alpha. So this is equal to 1/2 times 23.5 times 90.7, and then times sine 51.7 degrees. Then this approximately equal to 181.66, and then down.